Plant FAQs, Aglaonema Jubilee. Aglaonema Jubilee, your guide to the easygoing beauty. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema Jubilee, a stunning and low-maintenance houseplant that's perfect for busy individuals like myself. This beauty boasts a unique combination of elegance and resilience, making it a popular choice for both seasoned plant parents and beginners. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is an Aglaonema Jubilee? The Aglaonema Jubilee is a member of the Aglaonema genus, commonly known as Chinese evergreen. It's a tropical foliage plant prized for its vibrant, elongated leaves. The Jubilee variety features a captivating mix of colors, a base of deep green adorned with striking silver splashes along the center. What makes the Aglaonema Jubilee special? Here's what truly sets the Jubilee apart. Low-light champion. Unlike many houseplants, the Jubilee thrives in low-light conditions. This makes it ideal for apartments or rooms with limited natural light. Effortless care. This plant isn't fussy. Water it when the top inch of soil dries out, and it'll reward you with lush growth. Air purifying powerhouse. The Jubilee helps improve indoor air quality by removing common toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Slow and steady wins the race. The Jubilee is a slow grower, which means less repotting and more time to admire its beauty. How does the Aglaonema Jubilee compare to other plants? Here's a quick comparison to help you decide if the Jubilee is the right fit. Peace lily, spathiphyllum both are low-light tolerant and air purifying. However, the peace lily boasts white flowers, while the Jubilee offers stunning foliage. Snake plant, Sansevieria, another low-maintenance option. The snake plant is known for its architectural form, but the Jubilee provides a more vibrant touch with its variegated leaves. ZZ plant, Zamioculca zemifolia, is similar to the Jubilee in its low-light needs. The ZZ plant offers a more glossy, deep green foliage. However, the Jubilee adds a touch of silver for a more dynamic look, bringing the Aglaonema Jubilee home. Ready to welcome the Jubilee into your life? Here's a quick guide. Choosing your plant. Look for a healthy plant with vibrant colors and firm leaves. Avoid ones with yellowing or drooping foliage. Picking the perfect pot. Select a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Opt for a size slightly larger than the root ball to allow for future growth. Finding the right spot. While the Jubilee tolerates low light, it prefers indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun exposure. Caring for your Aglaonema Jubilee. Keeping your Jubilee happy is simple. Watering. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil dries out. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Feeding. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer. Humidity. While not essential, occasional misting can add a touch of moisture, especially in dry climates. Cleaning. Wipe down the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and maintain their shine. Troubleshooting common Aglaonema Jubilee issues. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive sunlight. Adjust your watering habits and relocate the plant if necessary. Yellowing leaves. This often indicates overwatering. Reduce watering frequency and allow the soil to dry out more between waterings. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. The final word on the Aglaonema Jubilee. The Aglaonema Jubilee is a stunning and easy-to-care-for houseplant that injects a touch of elegance and life into any space. With its vibrant foliage, low-light tolerance, and air-purifying properties, it's the perfect choice for busy plant enthusiasts like myself. So, give the Jubilee a try and enjoy the beauty and serenity it brings to your home.